And I'm going to show you how to update your firmware on your S5 II. Firmware version 2.0 is out, but this should work on any future firmware. So the first thing you'll need is a battery. Second thing you'll need is a memory card and a card reader. The first thing you need to do is go to Panasonic's digital camera download area. There will be a link to the description. Then you scroll down until you find your S5iiX or your S5 II. You'll see version 2 or whatever the most recent date is. You'll go to click to download page. You will click the download button, scroll down to the bottom and click accepted. And once it's downloaded, you'll right click the file and click extract all. Say OK. I put this in a folder named S5iiX firmware. You can put it whatever you want to. I'll go ahead and copy that .bin file into the root level of the memory card. Then I'm going to eject the memory card. And now I'll go ahead and put that memory card in the S5iiX. I've inserted the memory card into the S5iiX. I'm going to hit the menu button. Once in the menu, I'm going to go to the wrench symbol, then go to the very bottom with the other wrench symbol. I'm going to scroll down to the firmware version, click OK, and you can see that my firmware is, wow, it looks like I'm on version 1. I've never updated the firmware. So go up to firmware update, click OK. It's going to ask you if you want to start the upgrade. For this, I would set the camera down on a table, then click yes, hit the OK button. And it looks like that took about 2 minutes to do. It got stuck on the halfway point for about 30 seconds, but don't worry about that. Once the firmware's been completed, hit the menu button again, and click on your firmware version, and you'll see you're on version 2.0. And let's see if my LUT stayed on. To get to your LUTs, hit the menu button, go to your camera, go to the top menu that says Image Quality 1, go to Photo Styles, go to your real-time LUT, and then click the autofocus menu settings. It looks like a cross next to the viewfinder on the back of your camera, and it looks like all the LUTs stayed there, so that's pretty cool. Now that the firmware's in the camera, we can go ahead and format our card. And that's it. So we got the camera updated to firmware version 2.0. The whole process probably took about 4 to 5 minutes once you find the website, and enjoy all the new updates.